In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn with. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter that is known as translation studies. In translation studies, I told you about the theory of Catford about English translation studies. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to extend his theory and I'm discussing about the next point that is very important in translation studies from his theory. Listeners and audience, next he talks about level shift. What is level shift? Listeners and audience, according to Catford theory, level shift in translation means whenever we are translating a source text into the target text, sometimes the label does not remain the same after translation. One label is different from another label. So this kind of process is called level shift. For example, you see in this example, वो पढ़ रहा है. This is the original text, source text. Now, when I am translating it into English, I translate it into this way. He is reading a book. Here you see, here a book is additional word. Why I added here? Because in English language, sometime object is required. It is for clarification. Reading is transitive verb and it needs object. So that's why I added. It does not mean that I invented something new, but I added here for clarification. So in this regard, here in Urdu language, the word book is not available. It is not present. So that's why we call it, here it is lexical. But in English language, here the book, according to grammatical rules, like it is necessary because reading is transitive verb. So an addition of the word book or a book, it becomes here is grammar. So one became here वो पढ़ रहा है is a lexical level and here the word is grammatical level. And now when I say he is running, when I say he is running, this is a sentence he is running. But when I translate it into Urdu language, so in order to clear the concept of Urdu readers, because here this tense represents that something is happening now. So when I say he is running, it means वो अभी दौड़ रहा है. Although this abhi is optional here, there is not need of, for example, abhi here in English language, but I added it in Urdu for Urdu speakers that they know that here actually the sentence means that the writer is talking about now, that someone is running now. So here it is a lexical level, and because of this abhi which become the part of the sentence, it's become a grammar level. Hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.